Here I've got SONY Xperia 1, 2, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So firstly, open list of all apps, go to the settings then, now locate and open system, go to languages and input, click on languages, and by tapping on add a language, you can pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, Croatian, then select the region, and now you have to swipe it up because the language that is on the first place would be a default language. So as you can see now, the whole device is in Croatian, so you can smoothly use your phone and this new language. Then whenever you'd like to go back to English or maybe change language one more time, it's up to you. Just open the settings, go to the languages, and then either swipe up the preferred language or remove unnecessary language. And then obviously you can add language as we did it previously. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.